Google launched Google Mulang, an online interactive game that simulates a real-life setting that calls on users to use the full potential of online search. The story with Dina Libunao on digital life, plus tips on getting fast facts on Google search.
In this digital age, when in doubt, we say, Google it. Internet content creators Mikey Bustos, Marco Ho, and Bogart the Explorer banded together to form Google Mulang, a movement that calls on Filipinos to maximize the full potential of online search. As part of this movement, the internet stars, together with Google, devised an online game, Google Mulang, where netizens take a virtual adventure to create the perfect night. To try the online game, go to google.com.ph/campaigns/Google Mulang. Google's mission is to organize the world's information and make it universally accessible and useful. Google Search is at the core of this mission, allowing users to easily find the information they need among the web's wealth of information. There are many ways you can use Google Search for life's little shortcuts, including checking the weather, searching for the current time in different geographic locations, calculator, unit conversion, and public data searches, among others. Digital Life gathered some tips to get the facts fast. The Knowledge Graph allows you to instantly get detailed information about the things, people, or places that Google knows about. Landmarks, celebrities, cities, sports teams, buildings, geographic features, and more. Get the facts on the right side of the Google page. Access public data on your fingertips. It's now easy to get public data from World Bank or just by typing the keywords on Google Search. There's no need to open the dictionary when looking for definitions. Type in define, colon, and the word you need a definition for. The result will appear on the top of the page. You can calculate anything right on Google Search, saving you precious time and giving you the right answers fast. Calculate simple formula or even complicated ones. Need to be updated in current affairs? Google News helps you see all the headlines and summary of the articles you need. Customize what category you want to see, whether technology, local news, business, or even fashion, for a more precise news search. More power search tips in our next episode of Digital Life. For News Life, this is Dina Libunao.